Welcome to Breaking 365. This is Joey St. Pierre with day 22, and we got another snowstorm. Yay! Isn't that fantastic? Well, I'm going to shovel my driveway and my neighbor's driveway because I might be getting some money. So that might be a good thing, I guess.
Stop. Put it in reverse. Joey. And what about all that? Okay. Truck, and as you can see, there's so much snow. It's so crazy. So I'm trying to get it off of my truck so I can at least go somewhere tomorrow. I know I can't go anywhere today. I don't know if there's still a state of emergency. I think there was one yesterday, but I'm not sure if there will be one if there is one today. So I want to at least get my truck all nice and purdy, if you know what I mean. Looks nasty by, the dry, like all that stuff. Ugh. But whatever, I gotta get the snow off my truck. Trying to get all this snow off. Blah.
Oh my gosh, it's too cold outside.
'Cause it's too cold for you here.
Can you not play that? Seriously? Right, that will do it for day 22. I'm gonna go eat some snow. Yeah. Yeah. Never mind, I'm not gonna eat snow. I'm going in. It's freaking freezing as ever. And I'll talk to you guys later. Until next time, Joey St. Pierre, breaking 3... Yeah, I can't do the 6. 5. Signing out. Peace.